Hello and welcome to Explain the Charts. Today, January 28th, 2025, we will be analyzing XAUUSD, taking a look at recent news and its impact on the charts. Recent news suggests a volatile market for gold, with the Federal Reserve's actions and tariff discussions causing price fluctuations. Let's begin with the daily chart, examining the overall trends and patterns of XAUUSD. Here we see a significant price increase from around 1870 to above 2000. Note the multiple instances where the price tested support around 1920 and then proceeded to break above resistance. Zooming in on the period between October 11th and October 13th, we see a major bullish reversal. This spike in price coincided with news of increased tariff uncertainty, which typically benefits gold as a safe haven asset. Now let's shift to the 1-hour chart for a more granular perspective on recent price action. Here we observe shorter-term fluctuations and the frequency of resistance and support levels within the overall daily trend. The hourly chart shows a consolidation pattern between January 10th and January 13th, suggesting indecision in the market. However, the consolidation was eventually broken by a strong bullish trend, likely influenced by the same news events reflected in the daily chart. Finally, let's examine the 15-minute chart for extremely short-term patterns and volatility. The increased granularity of the 15-minute chart helps in understanding the high-frequency trading activity surrounding specific news events. Analyzing the 15-minute chart for January 23rd to January 24th reveals several price spikes and drops that are largely consistent with the trends from the daily and hourly charts. This chart's detailed look at the market demonstrates how sensitive the price is to short-term market sentiment. In summary, XAUUSD has exhibited periods of consolidation punctuated by strong bullish moves. This volatility is directly correlated to recent news events, indicating that traders are reacting strongly to changes in economic and geopolitical conditions. Key price levels to watch include the support zone around 2,600 on the daily chart, the strong resistance at the historical highs above 2,780, as noted in recent news reports, and the frequent short-term resistance and support levels that are consistent across the daily, hourly, and 15-minute charts. The likelihood of reaching these levels is highly dependent on future news events and changes in broader market conditions. Any unexpected economic news or significant shifts in global trade will heavily influence the direction of the price. It is important to remember that these are just potential scenarios based on technical analysis and recent market trends. Always conduct thorough research and risk assessment before making any trading decisions.